particular car here is a 1974 Impala. Installed a Dakota digital dash. Removing it, got it all put back together. And an LSA swap on this, built a custom cold air intake. All nice and neat. Ended up coating it black, putting power to the car. And once we got power to the car, function test everything. Then we transitioned into mounting the heat exchanger and then putting some gas in it as well. Flashing it with this first tune and then pulling it out into the driveway. Here's a quick walk around. She's a beauty. Now it's time to let you guys hear what this thing is made of. Here's a short idle video and then a video of the customer leaving happy.